In this video, I will show you how you can make a touch pen. So you need a pencil and a blade. Cut the top edge of the pencil so the carbon from the top removed perfectly. Rub it properly so it made a round shape on the pencil. Take a plastic and wrap it on the pencil perfectly. Stretch out so it wrapped properly on the pencil. Now give little lighter so it compress with the pencil. Now again cut the sharp edge of the pencil. Now your touch pen is ready to use. You can try with your own phone. Check out, it's perfectly working. You can write, you can use anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.